present the endocrine system of insect and echinoderm. Before going to start my presentation, we should know what is endocrine system. Endocrine glands are the organ in the body that produce hormone and release them directly into the bloodstream. These these glands make up the endocrine system, which perform many essential functions such as reproduction, regulating metabolism, and growth. And let's come on the endocrine system of insect. It is the optic lobe of the brain, and they're seen that it has neurosecretory cells, and near it corpora cardiaca is present, which produce thoracic hormone, and near its corpora alata is present, which produce juvenile hormone, and near the gut prothoracic gland is present that produce oxytocin hormone. Insects are similar hormone like crustaceans, but remember that mold inhibiting hormone MIH is absent in insect. They have following endocrine gland. At the optic lobe of the brain, there are neurosecretory cells are present. When an appropriate stimulus stimulates neurosecretory cells, these cells secrete a hormone called echinoderms. The axon transport this hormone to the corpora cardiaca. Corpora cardiaca are actually the mass of neurons associated with the brain. They produce thoracotropin hormone and is carried to the prothoracic gland. So in insects, some other neurosecretory cells are also present in brain and nerve cord which produce a hormone called Bursican hormone. Bursican influence the epidermal development like tanning. Tanning is actually the hardening and the darkening of chitinous outer cuticle layer. Tanning is completed several hours after each molt. And then we discuss the development in insect. Corpora alata, which is present near the corpora cardiaca or just behind the brain of the insect, it produces juvenile hormone. This hormone involved in molting. When the concentration of juvenile hormone in the blood increases, it inhibits the differentiation. The corpora alata decreases the juvenile hormone production in the absence of an environment stimulus. It basically juvenile hormone differentiate the insect larva into the pupa. Then pupa transform into the cocoon and it spends its winter life. Juvenile hormone is stopped in spring. Therefore, the amount of oxytocin again increases. So, pupa is transformed into the adult moth. And let's come on the phylum Echinodermata. Echinoderms are the diverse group of marine animals. They have soft body encased in a shell, rigid shell or exoskeleton which is called test. Many echinoderms have spines covering their test. Their body is made up of individual plates which are called ossicles, which made of further thin plates. The most distinctive feature is that echinoderm appears with the pentameral, yani 5 folds. Sea star, sea urchin, sea biter, sea lily, starfish are included in this phylum or the member of this phylum. So, echinoderm are deuterosomes. They have close relationship with chordates, but echinoderm hormone and endocrine system are different from the chordates. However, the endocrine system of echinoderm gives some information about the evolution of chordate endocrine system. Echinoderm have two important hormones. Number one, gonade stimulating hormone, and number two, maturation inducing hormone. Immunostimulating substance. It is present in the radial nerve of the sea star. These neuropeptides, once injected into the mature sea star, it induces immediate shedding of gametes, spawning behavior, and meiosis in the oocyte. Maturation-inducing substance. The neuropeptide acts to stimulate the release of a hormone called maturation-inducing substance, and it has different effects on the reproductive system. It is an inducer of oocyte maturation and spawning. This substance acts on the surface of oocyte. Thank you.